This is part 2 of my video where I'm going to show you how to service the Shimano Hollowtech II bearings. So here you'll see I've removed the bearings in the previous video. What I want to do here is remove the seals. So first thing to do is of course give the bearings a good clean with your trusty oily rag. Then what we need to do is to lever off the seals, and do that like this with a flat bladed screwdriver, being very gentle, and lever upwards, and out comes the bearing cover. Now we can see the bearing inside. Now the oil seal is here, and be very careful about this edge which presses up on the top of here. The way I did it is I reach from the inside and gently lever up like that. Note which way it goes in and place it down. Okay. Now get a clean section of your oily rag and remove as much grease as you can from the bearings themselves. Then what you want to do is get your grease gun and inject as much grease in as you think is reasonable. I'm now going to replace the components in reverse order, having given them a quick clean. Again, as I say, be careful of the sealing surface of that oil seal. Then clean up the cover, particularly the lower surface of the cover, and the reason for this is because the oil seal runs around resting on this. So just get that as clean as you can, and then pop it back inside. Now the way I tend to do this is by putting it upside down and pushing, and then just check that's running smoothly. And there we have it, a re-greased Shimano Hollowtech II bearing. So watch part 3 of my video series to find out how to refit these.